ole hey India hianin I chon kara kan ti don ni tro hianin I anon ko do lop chawa hun te set kara hianin no kal the kan lom masai no tu kan sin lok chawa press meet I kan call kan party hianin tun he program kan han puan tur hian ngai poi bo em ma EMC election ma di to ti to tur ka kan ne ma se campaign te le ka ke ngam result chuak te ka ke ni wang kanin kan ti lok thei lo wa he national talent hunt AICC national talent hunt hi India huapa poi ka ni ya ke ni hi a ten state northeast state ten ka ti tle men kan tlai do na ka mun danga chuan ti do vel vek to na kina ron soi chenga kan pi ani soi tong khan lekha khanin pi ritu chaudhary hi AICC spokesperson ania elai Mizoram kan state tana he programmer in charge mo bi kan ya Matthew kan no helai Mizoram in charge pi rongkal tur ne ma se kulam pang kerala lampang election vel ani wangin rongkal thilo lau me ya ko chuni se enge ani hi nia kai foi tu berle enge a hoi hot tu beran ni na angin ama kuta hian kanan da patanga ron soi pot se te chon nakina zo du te om chuanin kan chang dor ania please
Chibayule, as all of you know, today is a very special day for us. Our firebrand leader and media and publicity chairman, Mr. Pawan Kheda, gets bail by Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court. As you all know, that truth can be troubled, can be harmed, but never can be defeated. So this is our victory over a fascist government. All of us are together today for this program that is called National Talent Hunt. This is for the youth of Mizoram. This is forward-looking platform aimed at identifying, empowering a new generation of communicators, researchers, and public representatives who can strengthen democratic dialogue in the country. Through this initiative, the Congress Party seeks to build talent across the three key verticals, which are spokesperson, research coordinators, and publicity coordinators. The process will be transparent, inclusive, and merit based, ensuring equal opportunity for experienced Congress workers as well as young individuals who believe in democratic and constitutional values. At a time when public discourse is under freezing strain, India needs fearless, informed, and credible voices more than ever before. The National Talent Hunt is a step towards creating those voices and strengthening the connection between people and democratic politics. Thank you. This is our QR code. You can just scan it and fill the form, and you will be the part of the Congress media department. And after that, there are some formalities which they have to complete, and we will select between them the Congress spokesperson, researchers, and public coordinators. You can picture it. Thank you.